6.7 heads, and I've never had a tool like this before. And now I've discovered that sometimes it's some of the simplest, dumbest shit that'll make you happy. And this thing makes taking these apart so much easier. You just kind of whip right through them. So now I'm thinking that I may have to start selling these things. There's other people that struggle with these 6-7 heads like I have. But I have discovered that you can go through here pretty quickly. I've already taken one apart, and I thought, well, I want to get the camera because this is just about too cool. And I know there's cylinder head assembly benches out there. Commercially made ones. I looked at one from one of my tool suppliers. I wanted something like $2,200 for that thing. Quite honestly, it kind of looked like a piece of junk. Looked like some flimsy crap that you were going to have to fight with. So the way I did this one, so that you can float this head wherever you want to take it apart. And not constantly keep repositioning the head on it. There you see just how quickly you can tear one of these heads down.